Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add logo to Wix header. So let's go to the Wix website editor first. In Wix website editing section, you'll find here a logo, which is writing logo. All you have to just delete this. So after delete this, you have to add here your own logo. How you can do this? Click on plus, this element, add element, then go to image. Now click on upload and import or upload image. Click on this. Now click on upload from computer. Now find the image or logo image what you want to add here. This one you have to hold on, this is downloading, sorry, uploading. So after upload, you can see here add to page. Click on add to page. Now you can see that it has been added. Now all you have to just make it small and drag it to the header. Okay, so this is how you can add logo to header, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.